We have dreams. So do they. We have potential. So do they. We have access to education. But do they? There are millions of children around the world who don't have the opportunity to go to school every morning. This is unacceptable. We believe that every child deserves the right to quality education. We believe that each dream deserves a chance. A chance that might just make the world better. Since 2012, we provided opportunities to millions of out-of-school children. And we need you to reach millions more. Quality education for all can mean peace and prosperity for all. Please help educate a child reach millions more. To donate, please find a dedicated envelope in the seat pocket in front of you, or speak to a member of the cabin crew.